Do not touch that birdie.
Do they like? You think
It's
they
probably like insects and stuff like that, like in the.
do eat nuts though?
Oh yeah, they'll eat, isn't it? They'll eat.
He's
nuts.
fat.
They'll eat nuts. They'll eat sunflower seed. Suet. Wonder he haven't been down to the suet more than this.
How come he's so not afraid of us?
Oh yeah, I can walk up to the ones that got used to me on the bridge.
Yeah, I
I can
know.
almost walk up to them.
Well, usually the ones down around right here just take off. Not good light there at all. Shit light actually. Got a nice red head. Pretty bright.
Male.
Yeah, pretty bright. He's good and fat too.
Yeah.
Look at Arch. Arch, what are you looking at? That's not a squirrel.